It's really out of the way. Nobody's coming back here. Stuck out between two big farm fields and a golf course. Nice flat ground. A little bit of sunshine coming through this little area. Bugs aren't too bad. Nice big oak tree here. I'm gonna start setting a little something up here, buddy. Stay tuned. Get a little fire going here. Any luck? It's been a little bit damp, a little rainy last couple days. Should be all right. Fair bit of dry tinder around here. Well, about 3 minutes, we achieved some decent fire here, and just gonna go round up some of this fallen dead wood here. Anyways, now the smoke will keep away the mosquitoes that the bug spray is not touching. Some are getting affected by it, but some are not. Oh, look at this little crazy critter here. Out doing his thing. Maybe I'll eat him. Just gotta go over the fire. Why not? Oh, after about 2 hours here, we've got a lot of work done. I've cleared some area for kind of a spot to camp and work, and that's a big chunk of a tree I had to fell due to the fact that it was dead and threatening my shelter area. So I've cut it down, which is nice. Now I have a nice chunk of firewood to cut as I need it. I've got the base frame of my shelter thrown up, and I've accumulated quite a nice stack of firewood. There's a ton of it around here, a lot of standing dead ash and oak, and so that's nice for keeping the fire going. Only going to be out here for about another hour. I'm going to just do a little more tidying, set up a little area, maybe see if I can find another seat. Anyways, this campsite is promising. I very much like it. There's also a creek nearby. That's kind of cool. I have not heard any trace of people, which is nice. It's very private. There are no paths coming in or out of here. I basically bushwhacked right through in from the field, probably about 500 feet, 300 meters or so. And when I just came across the spot, I just saw the open sky and figured I'd be better off working here with a little less bugs, a little warmer, a little sunnier, which means for a little drier wood as well. Very pleased with this spot, under the shelter of this beautiful, nice oak here. I honestly don't think I could think of a better camping spot, unless it was on a lake or in the mountains. But for around here, boring old Carolinian forests of south and western Ontario, Sarnia, not bad. Ready to pack up here. And about another hour trek out of here on the bike. It's a little bit slow through the woods, but better not forget my gloves. Save the rest of the work for the next time I come out, and maybe we'll start working on some walls and maybe get a tarp set up for a roof shelter. And then maybe we can work on some little amenities, maybe a little workstation and some more seating. Anyways, I again love this spot. It's very cool. So look forward to camping here one night.